Ever dealt with a running toilet or weak flush? It's frustrating, right? In this video, I'm going to show you simple, easy fixes for common Toto toilet problems to keep your bathroom running smoothly. 1. Continuous running. A running toilet wastes water and can drive you crazy. If you've ever heard that endless trickle, you know the struggle. But don't worry, it's fixable. Symptoms. If you hear the water running long after you've flushed, or if the tank keeps refilling, your toilet is likely running unnecessarily. Possible causes. Faulty or misaligned flapper. This rubber seal in the tank often wears out over time, causing water to leak into the bowl. Incorrect water level or float settings. If the water level's too high, it'll spill into the overflow tube, causing a constant refill. Malfunctioning fill valve or overflow tube. If either of these parts is faulty, your toilet won't shut off properly. Solutions. Inspect the flapper and replace it if it's worn out or misaligned. Make sure it seals properly. Adjust the chain length on the flush valve. Sometimes it gets too tight, preventing a full seal. Set the correct water level by adjusting the float or fill valve to avoid overflow. Tips for prevention. Regularly check inside your toilet for wear and tear. It'll save you from future headaches and costly repairs. 2. Weak flush. A weak flush is not just annoying. It can leave your toilet dirty, forcing you to flush more than once. Let's get that powerful flush back. Symptoms. A weak flush can leave the bowl partially full or take multiple tries to get the job done. Possible causes. Low water level in the tank. If it's not high enough, there's not enough pressure to flush properly. Clogged rim holes or jets. Mineral buildup in these areas can severely affect the flow. Obstructed trapway or malfunctioning flush valve. Blockages or faulty valves can weaken your flush. Solutions. Adjust the water level so it's high enough for a strong flush. Use a small brush or wire to clean the rim holes and siphon jets. These often get clogged with minerals. If the trapway is blocked, clear it out. Also, check the flush valve for any malfunction. Tips for prevention. To maintain flush strength, regularly clean the jets and avoid flushing too much toilet paper. A little preventative care goes a long way. 3. Flush valve issues. When the flush valve fails, your toilet won't flush properly and may even leak water. Let's dive into how to fix that. Symptoms. If your toilet's not flushing fully or you see water leaking from the tank, the flush valve might be the issue. Possible causes. Damaged or worn flush valve. Over time, it can fail to seal properly, letting water leak out. Improper flapper sealing. If the flapper isn't sealing tightly, it allows water to leak into the bowl. Solutions. Inspect the flush valve for wear. Replace it if it's damaged, as it's a common culprit behind leaks. Clean the flush valve seat regularly to prevent mineral buildup, which can stop it from sealing properly. Tips for prevention. A quick flush valve check once a year helps catch issues early before they become costly problems. 4. Clogs. Clogs can bring your toilet to a halt, causing slow drainage or water backing up into the bowl. Here's how to deal with them. Symptoms. If water backs up or the toilet drains slowly, it's likely clogged. Possible causes. Excessive toilet paper or foreign objects. These blockages are often the result of flushing too much paper or non-toilet safe items. Mineral buildup in the trapway. Hard water can lead to mineral deposits that restrict flow. Solutions. Use a plunger or toilet auger to clear the blockage. For stubborn clogs, use a toilet safe cleaner to break down mineral deposits. Tips for prevention. Be mindful of what you flush. Only toilet paper and waste belong in the bowl. Regular cleaning helps keep buildup from becoming a bigger issue. 5. Low water pressure. Low water pressure can make even the best toilet underperform. A weak flush or inconsistent water flow is often the first sign. Symptoms. A weak or incomplete flush is a sign of low water pressure. Possible causes. Clogged jets or siphon holes. Over time, these small openings can get clogged with debris. Sediment buildup. Mineral deposits in the tank can restrict water flow. Solutions. Clean the siphon jets and rim holes to remove any debris. Use vinegar or a toilet-safe cleaner to dissolve sediment in the tank. Tips for prevention. Regular cleaning of the siphon jets and rim holes will keep your flushes strong. Check for buildup inside the tank too. 6. Preventative tips for longer toilet lifespan. Keep your Toto toilet in top shape with these simple maintenance tips. Tips: clean regularly, don't just scrub the bowl. Give the tank, flush valve, and rim holes attention too. Check for leaks. Inspect the tank, bolts, and seals for any cracks or wear. Don't flush foreign objects or too much toilet paper. Avoiding clogs is a major part of keeping things running smoothly. Inspect the flush valve. Ensure it's in good condition to prevent leaks and maintain flush efficiency. By staying on top of these tasks, your Toto toilet will continue performing like new for years to come. Fixing common toilet problems like running water, weak flushes, and clogs is easier than you think. Follow these simple tips, and your Toto toilet will work like a charm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your tips in the comments.